Good morning, students. Today we will go through the working with the poem. Okay, in the working with the poem is divided into 1, 2, and 3 parts. Okay, so first one is with your partner, try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. The two phrases are given, they are underlined, and we have to find out the meaning of it. And somehow we fell out. Okay, and there was something on which we quarreled. We know the poem is about a quarrel between two brothers. So the something with the something a little point they started to quarrel with each other. The afternoon turned black. The afternoon became unpleasant and bad. The afternoon was very unpleasant and very bad. They did not talk to each other. Number 2. Read these lines from the poem. One thing led to another. And we have to discuss with your partner with these lines. Means what is the meaning of these lines? We have to discuss in the partner, or we can discuss in the class that the quarrel began from a certain point and then they quarreled on some other point and so on. Actually, with a silly little point they started to quarrel with each other. But slowly it went on very high. The start of it was very slight. It had all started on some very pretty matter. Yes, they started in very pretty matter to fight with each other. The malice, the end of it was strong. So, at the end of the fight was very strong. Okay. So, the malice which is generated was however strong. At the end, they strongly ended with each other and decided not to speak with each other. The afternoon turned black. The afternoon time passed in great tension. Yes, they both were in very great tension that how they will deal with this problem. What shall they do? Thumped me on the back, patted me on the back with a show of affection. Yes, actually their afternoon was very much in tension, and in the evening time one of was sitting on the chair and another came and patted on the back and said, we cannot go to bed like that, we should patch with each others, we should have finish this quarrel with each other. Number 3, that we have to describe the recent quarrel that we had with our brother, sister or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? So, a paragraph is here with me. I shall share with you. So, this is the way to write a paragraph. Recently, I had a quarrel with my best friend Ramesh. It was over a small thing. I had asked Ramesh to accompany me to the railway station where I had to go to receive a visitor. Ramesh refused. I went along, but later on I did not speak to Ramesh in the class. He needed my help in his homework, but I refused to help him. He was very angry and he too stopped talking to me. 2 days passed. We were on the playground playing cricket. Suddenly, a ball hit me and I fell down. Ramesh ran, took me on his scooter to the doctor, and then brought me home. I thanked Ramesh and we were friends again. So, what happened? Recently, the Ramesh and his friend both quarreled with each other. Ramesh asked me to accompany to the railway station, but there was a visitor in his house, so he could not go it. So Ramesh did not speak to his friend. He stopped speaking with him. Even though the person needed help in homework, Ramesh did not help him. He was very angry, and the friend also was very. Both of them stopped to speak with each other. The 2 days passed and they both were playing a cricket in the playground, and suddenly a friend of Ramesh fell down. And Ramesh felt it so bad, he took him to the scooter to doctor, and they both started to speak with each other, and friend also thanked the Ramesh. They both became friends one again. So this was the working with the question we have completed. We will go through the additional questions. Okay, the question number 1: why are we sometimes not able to say why we quarreled? Yes, sometimes we fight on silly things and we are not able to say to each other why we fought. So one thing leads to another and hot words are exchanged. We begin to hate each other without bothering about how we quarreled. So we are not able to say why we quarreled. Sometimes we start to quarrel with somebody with a simple and easy reason, but we exchange the hot words. No, sometimes using some people use bad words. So that way it started and quarrel ended in the strong matter. How long do quarrels last between siblings? Quarrels between siblings last for a very short time, generally, yes. So between siblings, the quarrel lasts only for a few minutes. Immediately they become friends again. How do such quarrels end? These quarrels end in either of two ways. First, when one of them to realize the foolishness and goes to the other feeling sorry. The second way is one of the crisis. A brother cannot see his brother in pain or sorrow. So he runs to help in crisis and the quarrel ends. So when we quarrel with somebody, someone has to give up. Someone has to give up, ask sorry, stop this kind of foolishness, telling each other sorry. Okay, that way we can end. On another way, if someone is in crisis, in problem, and one feels so bad, so these two ways we can end a quarrel. What conclusion do you draw from the poem? Blood is thicker than water seems to be right conclusion. Yes, blood is thicker than water. Siblings, they fight with each other, but immediately they feel for each other. Okay. So my dear students, from this lesson we get this poem, we get a lesson when we fight with somebody, with our friends, our parents, brothers, sisters. Sometimes we get angry with our parents also, but sometimes it is good to be that we should ask forgiveness. We should quarrel our end before we go to bed, because every day is a new day given by a God. So write down these working with the poem and short question answers in your notebook with a good handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.